Beckman Production Services Tubing Elevator Periodic Maintenance and Inspection Schedule. The daily inspection. Visually inspect the elevators for signs of corrosion or damaged components. Inspect for any visual evidence of cracks. Visible cracks indicate potential failure points, and if they are discovered, the elevator should be immediately removed from service. Examine link support arm surfaces for deformation. If the surfaces are excessively worn or the elevators need repair, see inspection wear limits for maximum allowable wear. Test the operation of the elevator latch mechanism. If the lock or retainer appears to be too loose or too restrictive, repairs may be required. Elevator latch mechanism test procedures. With the elevator door closed, ensure that the latch mechanism properly engaged with the locking lug. Insert a wedge between the right and left half. Using a micrometer, measure the diameter of the elevator bore hole. Maximum bore diameter for a 2 3/8 elevator is 2.746. Using the latch mechanism and normal pulling pressure, attempt to open the elevator door. Note that while the wedge is in place, the elevator latching mechanism should not open. If the latch opens, immediately remove the elevators from service until repairs can be made. Remove the wedge. Apply outward pressure to the elevator horns. You should observe approximately 1/8 inch gap between the right and left body halves on the open side of the elevator. With pressure applied, pull the latch mechanism while observing the gap between the right and left body halves. If the elevators are functioning correctly, the gaps will close slightly before the locking mechanism releases from the locking lug, allowing the elevators to open. Do not grind or remove metal from the surfaces of the elevator. Proper lubrication involves greasing the hinge and repair pins through the grease fittings. The lock pin should be oiled to maintain smooth operation. After use, clean elevators and remove all external dirt and grease. That concludes the daily inspection.